Grindrod is in freight services, shipping, trading and financial services.
The biggest part of the business, though, is in commodity trading linked to shipping. And the shipping is a fleet of actual ships that they bought, built, developed, lease out. You may know that shipping rates globally are at relatively low prices because China has cooled down and just generally there's
Commodity
a bit of an
fallout.
oversupply of the vessels.
In a tough spot. 8.1 billion rand, PE, that's of course the market cap, PE ratio 14.4, dividend yield of 1.8%. I want to look at performance before we talk.
Yikes, that's not good. What kind of a share price is that? Chart.
What kind of, no, is
Super
this
Group had
the
a much
ultimate,
nicer chart.
is this the ultimate value play? Now, I know this has long been toyed with by the value managers over the years.
Yeah, look, I think that's what people, that's been sort of the underlying investment case, as you mentioned. But if we have a look at that dry Baltic index, which is an indication of global shipping rates, they reached an all-time low in the first quarter of this year. And as a result, actually, Grindrod, before the end of their first half financial year, they've come out with a profit warning, say they're going to be in a loss-making situation because of those low rates. So, and there's quite a strong correlation between the share price.
Is there light at the end of the tunnel on that Baltic dry index?
Exactly. So that's what you need to look at. And I can't see, I mean, global trade is depressed. As we mentioned, China growth is slowing there, oversupply of shipping. I think it's a multi-year story that has to unfold here. So I think it's going to stay depressed for some time.
It's going to take a while for this one to recover.
It's boats, so there's no light at the end of the tunnel. Boats go on water. Trains typically go through tunnels.
They do trains as
I
well.
open myself up to
as
that.
well.
I open myself
Sort of
up
like
to
a
that.
watery grave at the end of the water, you know.
Thanks, Paul, for that, for elaborating.
No, I must say I worry about this one because it's got its own little fan club of people who made a lot of money on it, investing it in the last decade and a half. Remgro is involved, so people think, well, that means it can't possibly go anywhere but up.
An
But
anchor
commodities, it's not making money from its commodity trading operations. There's a lot of depressed and negative sentiment there. The Chinese thing looks bad. I don't know. It's
No go.
for me, it's a definite avoid. Yeah.
Is it an avoid? We're not even going to discuss it anymore.
Yeah, I think right now let's wait and see
Not
for
hot.
better prospects. Not hot.